फ्रेंड जय जगन्नाथ मु बर्तमान अच्छी कलकतार देखो केते झील पुओ सब स्कूल पिला माने आसुचंती कलकतार बिरला प्लानेटेरियम एठारे दिन रे तारा देखा जाए माने आकाश आपन को देखिया को मिलेबो दिन रे स्वर्ग रे जहाँ सब थाए ना आकाश रे स्वर्ग रे नहीं आकाश रे जहाँ सब थाए आपण माने एठारे देखि परिबे दिन रे तारा देखिए चंद्र देखिए सूर्य देखिए आई सब आए ना कौ स्कूल पिला माने सब आसीगले बोधे देखापी मैम मैंने बोधे आसुँच ना कौन ये देखु आमर एबे चलतु देखा बिरला प्लानेटेरियम दिन रे चांद फ्रेंड जय जगन्नाथ मोबिके बिरला प्लानेटेरियम रे अच्छी जहाँ को कहती दिन रे चांद आ तारा देखईदेवी मु बर्तमान दिन गोटाए बसी आपण मानक दिन रे चांद एवं तारा देखईदेवी जय जगन्नाथ
has opened up in front of us with its vast variety of objects and events of unimaginable characters and nature. With all this knowledge, we humans have tried to understand the cosmic progression of events, the origin and evolution of celestial bodies, and identified their colorful, enigmatic presence in the night sky. We will now be entering the colorful, mind-boggling cosmos of immense dimensions, experiencing the brilliant colors and sights of what is truly a small part of our universe. The real lifelike objects and environment of our story today, the cosmic collisions.
Hello, I'm Robert Redford. Out here in space, the stars look peaceful, don't they? Through good times and bad, we've always found comfort in their reassuring light, the sense that there's order in the universe. When something new suddenly appears in the night sky, it makes us wonder. See that big rock? It's really a comet. People used to believe that comets like this one were bad omens, warnings that trouble was on the way. Today, we know that comets begin as chunks of ice and rock that orbit around the sun, far beyond the planets of our solar system. If one of them is pulled into an orbit closer to the sun's heat, its icy surface changes from solid to gas, unleashing an enormous tail of rock and dust that's millions of miles long. But knowing what a comet is doesn't mean it can't cause trouble. That comet is heading towards Earth. Will it hit? Not this one. Like most comets, it will pass us by. But bits of rock from the comet's tail, called meteoroids, will collide with Earth's atmosphere. When they hit, they'll burn up, creating a brilliant meteor shower. These days, down here on Earth, it sometimes feels that things are changing far too much and far too quickly. And it's not just Earth. You see, change is a constant in the universe. Stars, planets, even galaxies are always on the move, tugged this way and that by the powerful, ever-present force of gravity. At times, they even collide. This may sound alarming, but collisions can actually be beneficial and sometimes beautiful. Come with me now on a journey to places near Earth and beyond the distant reaches of our galaxy to see how cosmic collisions have created our past, affect our present, can continue to shape our future. There used to be a number of theories about how our moon was formed. Not long ago, scientists proposed a new one. Let's travel back in time, 4.5 billion years, to find out what they think happened. What you're seeing is the young Earth. It was a planet still forming, where life had not yet begun. In those early days, our solar system was swarming with large chunks of rock, some as big as planets. A number of them had orbits that brought them close to Earth. This one got a little too close. The collision nearly destroyed the Earth, spraying molten rock out into space. Most of this rock fell back onto our shattered planet. The rest of the rock stayed in orbit. The force of gravity kept it from escaping out into space. As these jagged rocks revolved around Earth, gravity drew them towards one another. They began to collide, fusing together into larger chunks. Within weeks, these chunks combined with others, growing bigger and bigger. And in less than a month, incredible as it may seem, our moon was formed. That's right, it only took 1 month to create our moon. This is the moon today. It's strange to think that the accompanying sphere in our night sky was formed by a violent collision, but it was. In 1,000 different ways, this collision made life on Earth possible. The force of it tilted our planet's axis, giving us our seasons, and the moon's gravitational pull causes our tides. Our solar system has settled down a lot since then, so we don't have to worry about another planet colliding with Earth. But other collisions affect us each and every day. Some of the most important ones involve our sun. Don't worry, Earth isn't going to collide with the sun anytime soon. Our orbit is stable, and it should stay that way for billions of years. But all life on the surface of Earth depends on collisions that happen inside the sun. The sun is a star, like the other stars we see in the night sky. It's much closer though, so it looks different, like a gently glowing ball. But there's nothing gentle about the sun. Those dark patches are sunspots. Each of them is about the size of Earth. Sunspots look dark because they're the coolest places on the sun, only about 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The rest of the sun is even hotter. The sun
ଆମେ ସବୁ ବିଦାୟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ସବୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ବି ସବୁ ଆମେ ବିଦାୟ ଦିନରେ ତାରା ମୁଁ ଏବେ ବିର୍ଲା ପ୍ଲାନେଟୋରିୟମ୍ ଦେଖିଲି ବିରଳା ପ୍ଲାନେଟୋରିୟମ୍ ବିର୍ଲା ହଉ ବିରଳା ହଉ ସମାନ କଥା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଏବେ ଯିବୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିବାକୁ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଭିକ୍ଟୋରିଆ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଯିବୁ ଭିକ୍ଟୋରିଆ ରାଣୀଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ସେଠି ଦେଖିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବି ଟିକେ ଦେଖେଇବି।